Hi YouTube. So we're back today with another try on haul. Today I'm going to be trying on some Lululemon leggings and I'm really excited because I was obsessed with Lululemon for a good portion of my life. So I've built up a little bit of a collection, nothing crazy, but like I have a couple and I'm going to be trying them on for you today. And I'm trying out this little guy because it is an absolute disaster outside weather-wise. And when I was using just the regular microphone, all you could hear was the traffic and the rain. So I'm hoping this $20 Amazon microphone will make it a little bit better, but we'll see. If not, I do apologize. It is what it is. Anyway, you guys might also notice that we are at a beautiful tropical cabin on the water today because it is so incredibly gross outside. I thought I would make it at least a little bit nice in here. So there you go. We're on vacation. The first leggings I'm going to be reviewing, I do already have on. They are the Camo Align leggings, and they are the longest length that you can get them in. I don't know what exactly that length is. I think they come in like 23, 25, and 28 inches. Don't quote me on that, but if it did, I got the 28 inches one. Anyway, so they're full length right down to the ankle, and I absolutely love that because it is generally really hard for me to find leggings that fit me all the way down to the ankle because I'm a little bit on the taller side, but these ones I felt like they just kind of fit that vibe. And then if you do know the Align collection, you know that they are so incredibly soft. And this is actually one of my favorite things about this collection. People describe it as buttery smooth, buttery soft, and it is 100% true. They are incredibly comfortable. I'm also just going to take a moment to talk about the seams. So this one, it doesn't have a butt scrunch. I know that is really popular right now, and I personally do love the butt scrunch. I don't think any Lululemon leggings have a scrunch. Don't quote me on that either because like I'm just not sure. But I do really like that it has a seam because it fits up quite nicely and I think that's really flattering. It does also have a seam at the front, which I don't know if it's really quite as flattering as the seam at the back, but I do know that 99% of Lululemon leggings have the seam at the front. I'm not really sure about the functionality and the design of that, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So we're going to try on the next pair. Next, I'm trying on these ones, and forgive me, I don't actually have the name of these ones. They are really smooth and soft like the Aligns, but I'm not sure if it's from the same collection because these ones have pockets. And I don't know if the lines have pockets. The Camo ones don't have pockets, so I don't think it's the same. Um, but anyway, I love these so, so much. Not only because they have pockets, the design is really kind of cool. It's kind of like a burgundy tie-dye kind of thing. They are not full length like the other ones. They're kind of like a little bit above ankle length. I believe I was looking for the full length ones, but I just couldn't find them or they didn't make them in the full length. Um, I don't really remember, but I absolutely love the color. I love the pattern. I think it's a little bit unique. Um, and it's a little bit more high-waisted than the camouflage ones. I think that's quite flattering, especially with this style of top. These ones also do have the seam at the back and the front. But they're still honestly one of my favorite pairs of leggings that I have, mostly because it does have the pockets, and that is so convenient. If anybody out there is designing women's leggings, please give them pockets. Most leggings just don't have them, and that's just, it's nice to have a place to put your phone, you know? I absolutely adore the color of these. The only thing that I would change about them, I think, is to make them full length. I don't really know. I feel like ankle length ones just they look they I don't know, they I feel like they look a little bit odd on me. I don't really know why. Another thing that it has is this little pocket at the back. If anybody knows what this is for, please let me know because I have no idea and they're in most of the Lululemon leggings. So Do you know what I mean? Like what is that for? What can I put in there? A debit card? My headphones? Like no, that's anyway. I'm just gonna try on the next pair. So lastly, we have these, which are the newest ones that I've bought. They're a little bit of a different material than the other two. The other two were kind of like a soft and buttery material. This one is more like a spandex, or it's like a smooth spandex or nylon, maybe. I'm not really sure, but it's a little bit more compressive than the other ones, which I didn't really realize when I got them. But they're also a lot shorter than the other two. They're almost like a capri length, which I don't know. I was kind of into them at the time, but now that I have them, I find that I don't really reach for them very often. Actually, I believe I ordered them online, so I didn't go into the store to try them on, but I fell in love with the color and I ordered a set. The top that I got was the Align tank top, but it was in the same color as these. They do have the pocket, um, but they're a little bit more compressive. So I don't find that I reach for them very often because I find that it kind of like squishes me down a little bit. And I like a little bit more of like a stretchy, softer material so that when I do get a booty pump in the workout, that it kind of is shown off a little bit more. But these ones I still really do love. I absolutely adore the color. I think it is so beautiful and bright and fun. I just wish that they weren't so like the fabric wasn't so thick and so tight. It is still really comfortable. I feel like it just kind of squishes me in and squishes me down a little bit. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe if you do want to see more content like this, and hopefully I will see you again in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.